What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in and welcome to the channel. This is Streamin' Dreams. So it's a little cold today on Valentine's, and we decided to heat things up a little bit by doing the Valentines Day Couples Challenge. So our son, who is off camera, is going to be hitting us with a list of questions, and we're gonna find out, how well we know each other.
Let's see.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
No. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
She said she's ready. All right, let's do it.
So we're gonna close our eyes to make this a fair challenge. That way we don't get influenced by each other's choices, okay? Let's go.
Okay, good.
Who initiated the first kiss? Who apologizes first after a fight? Who is the funny one? Who is more romantic? Who is the most patient? Who is the better cook? Who said I love you first? Who takes longer to get ready in the morning? Who is grumpier in the morning? Who is more stubborn? Who is the bigger baby when sick? Who is the social butterfly? Who is the messy one?
Sorry.
Wow, I think we know your choice on that one.
Oh, who spends the most? Who is the better driver? Who is the strictest parent? Who is the Messier eater? Who is the better dancer? Who is better at giving directions? Who has the craziest family? Who is always right? Who is older? Who is taller? Who is the loudest? Who falls asleep first? Who is the most competitive? Who is the neat freak? Who plans date night? Who picks where you go to dinner? Who has more tattoos? Who sings better? Who hogs the remote?
Our son?
Our daughter?
Who drives when you are together?
No, that's easy.
There we go.
That's it.
All right.
We hope you guys got to get to know us a little better.
Yeah, maybe a little insight in who we are and how we came to be.
Yeah. Alexander, for the record, who's the better cook?
No, who's the stricter parent?
Who's the stricter parent? I am? Who's the better cook?
I think Mama might have won that one too.
Okay, fair enough.
Depends.
Fair enough.
Fair enough. And what was the other one that we didn't know? What's another question that I didn't know about?
No.
Who has the craziest family was
Me.
Oh yeah, we knew that.
Love my family. We're just loud and we're big.
Oh.
And fun.
So thank you guys for tuning in for this little Valentine's Day Q&A. Next week we're going to be showing how to winterize the Airstream, or let me correct that, how we are going to winterize our Airstream, because we have some abnormally cold weather going on in the nation right now. And speaking of weather, let's move over to our weather forecaster, our very own Alexander.
Woo!
So tell me, man, what's the weather going to look like next week? I know it's going to be freezing out here.
It's going to get cold, a low of 10 degrees.
10 degrees, and now we're in the Houston area, so 10 degrees for us feels like negative 10 degrees. I mean, it is freezing, and we're not really looking forward to it. So we're going to do the best we can,
Yeah.
He is. He's hoping for snow.
Yeah. He's been praying for snow since like November.
From 3 years ago, November. So, you know, hopefully this guy will get a flake or two. We'll find out. But stay warm out there, guys. Thank you so much once again for tuning in. Make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe, turn on those notifications, and guys, we will see you down the road.
Happy Valentine's Day!
Happy Valentine's Day!